And here we have Harley. Yeah. Mr. Harley boy. Of course. And Sierra. Hi, Sierra. Yeah. So you hungry, girl? And this is Miss Maggie. She's the youngest one. Yeah. Come on over here. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. And we got to have Molly here. Yeah, how you doing, Molly? All right, girls. It's time to go to the house. Bye now.